Hi, I'm Oscar from the Everleigh in Melbourne, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Dominicana cocktail. Well, the Dominicana is a very rich and a very clean cocktail. We're going to start with a 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, 1:1 sugar and water. Next up, a full shot of aged rum. And lastly, our Allpress Espresso coffee shots. 3/4 ounce, 22.5 mils, and here the brightness and acidity of the Allpress coffee will help balance out that sweet sugar quality. So aged rum is like thick. It has a lot of molasses sweetness, a lot of Christmas spice. It's kind of heavy enough and punchy enough to go toe-to-toe with coffee as a flavor. And now for some ice. And we're just gonna put it straight on top of our mixture. So, now it's time to combine the ingredients, rolling the tin back and forth, get it nice and cold. And now it's time for the infamous fresh cream float. Pour slowly and watch as it spreads from edge to edge, giving us that beautiful, clean, fresh cream float. And there you have it, the Dominicana at the Everleigh with Allpress coffee shots.